built RB, massive turbo, Millennium Jade. What is up, YouTube fam? It's your boy Jason. We hopping back in another vid, and you'll never guess what we're doing this morning. If you guessed going to Cars and Coffee, you were right. If you also guessed I'm running late, you two are also right. Hope you guys are doing wonderful. Like I said, I'm doing great, but running late, so we're going to get there as quick as we can. Little MB Miata. Miata needs to comport with his Miata brothers. Got the NA and the ND over here. I like the khaki color on that thing, sharp. Ooh, C6, old school Mustang Mach 1. That color, I like that. I like that a lot. The bronze wheels too. Ooh, okay, I see. The old school Mustang's pretty sick. And the louvers, they get a pass because, you know, they own a muscle car. The guy's always here. The M2. I don't know what blue this is, but this blue, talking a lot about the colors today. But that one's gorgeous. Look at all the Mini Coopers, good day. They pulled up this morning. Even the old school guy parked down here with it, that's awesome. It's an old little Mighty Max or something, ain't it? I believe so. Got the chrome wheels, okay. 5-speed, cool little truck. Parked next to the little Nissan hardbody. With the Cadillac wheels, okay. And y'all heard these bad boys chunky when they came in, looking good. Look at the tires, my god, massive. Got the sexy little Mama Lona. And then this thing is always a beauty to see. Got the built RB, massive turbo, Millennium Jade, RPF1s, interior is immaculate. This thing is gorgeous. Yeah, I love that color. I believe it's Millennium Jade. Silvia, yeah, 240SX. That's just what they call them in Japan, it's the Silvia. Even the old heads love this car. My brother in Christ, you better have a massive Whipple supercharger for a cowl induction hood that big. Good day. Looks really good there. Just giving you some shit, man. I like it. Yeah, brother, you better have something like that under that hood to have a cowl induction that big. The Type R FL5 part next to the SI. Subi gang over here, what you doing, bro? We parked over there. I do like the championship white though. If I ever bought one. Championship white, bronze wheels. I mean, I got a thing, you know. Be a good little daily for sure. SIs are fun. I used to have a FG2, I think that's what it was, the 07 SI. Pretty fun car. You can park with us too out back. Let's go take a look at this. This shit is wild. As you can see, it's sitting on the ground, literally on the ground. Crazy tires. This thing is wicked. He says it ain't bad at 55, 60 miles an hour. I think I'd be scared at any miles an hour. This thing's wild. Looks like something straight out of a video game. Some steampunk shit. The Terpsky though, it would be so productive to be sitting at the driver's seat over there and watching fire. Yeah, he's on there. Here's his bags. Hey, this is the same way we met this guy last time. Him backing into a parking spot. The Evo 10. Hell yeah. I can't believe he made like 370 wheel. Sounds good. Take a look at this thing. This is super sharp too. And his homie's S10 drag truck. Like I said, drag truck. You'll see. Fuel cell, parachute. Place for the nitrous bottle. Big drag tire. Minimal interior. Yeah. Drag truck, like I said. Okay, see the chrome wheels and then the chrome supercharger. Bet this thing gets down. Maybe the cleanest 335i I've ever seen. But look at the wheels. The fitment is on point. Gorgeous engine bay. Paint match on that. Excuse me, sir. Got the peanut butter guts with the carbon rear seat delete. Okay. Little carbon spoiler. And the Murdered Out C6 goes hard. That carbon lip. Just looks so menacing. Clean bug-eye wagon. Just talked to the owner not long ago. Fresh engine, timing, all that. Pretty much bone stock. It's got a Mishimoto radiator. Like the alternator cover from Killer B. Super clean. And that's pretty much it. Everything else is bone stock. He's got white line, lowering springs, I believe is what he said. STI strut tower brace, the optional STI BBSs. Yes, dude, I love this pairing exhaust. Telling you, man, something like this, perfect daily. Here we are, chilling. I like my new cup. Wifey got it for me. And Brendan, take a look at the engine bays. Got a couple more things. Mission motor radiator and coolant. Got his flex fuel set up down here. Can't see it, but it's down there. Like I said, he made 458 on E85 with this Garrett 30G. So we're gonna try to catch up with them a little bit, you know, see what this 20G can do once we get it on corn. Fitment, perfect as always. He also does some more stuff around here. Oh yeah, don't let me forget the new sequential turn signals and new fog lights as well. He changes something every time I see this man. Blacked out tail lights. I'm sorry you're so dirty, girl. I'm so sorry. I promise. It's just because you've been sitting at work while they're working on the garage. We'll get you clean. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. I'm working on putting you on the good juice too. You gotta love me. Take care of me. The old Monte Carlo part next to the Focus RS. I believe it's nitro blue. Upgraded ETS front mount intercooler. But this is a fun little hatch. Got that little stinky fish eye look to it, like try me. Bronze Autohans with the polished lip. That daggone blue Brembos pop so nice with the bronze. Maybe close the wheel gap just a touch, but other than that, I like it. Our little homie Mike, he's making some progress on it. Like I said, he's got a new carbon lip, some little rear spats, got a remark, axle back exhaust, muffler delete. You know, slow progress, but it's coming. Dude young, give him time. He picked him up some spacers today from Brendan, so he's gonna do that. Then we're gonna get him some lowering springs, get him a little lower. I mean, bro, if I was riding around in this shit in high school, I'd be hype as I rode around in a 96 accent. You know what I'm saying? Shit. A little axle back opened it up quite nicely. Damn, it looked like some royalty pulled up in back in the day. Whew. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this morning's Cars and Coffee is over. It's the afternoon and we're heading down to Lexington to go see some cars and planes, baby. Hell yeah, bro, that shit's nice. I gotta get E. Alrighty guys, we have made it to the Lexington High Flyers car show. Me and Brendan wiped the cars down, found some fellow Subies to part with, and before we start looking, your boy gotta go get something to eat, because I ain't ate today, and it's like 1:25. I'm hungry. Big boy gotta eat.
Many secret patties later.
Alright, so we just ate some slapping ass chicken tenders with some kind of ranch powder on there, bro. And it was a good price for the damn car show food. Y'all know how they be. Well, let's take a look at these SPC RPF1s. Ooh, it looks so good with the Celica white. I believe that's what this is. This thing is clean. Hey, it's Goku. Got a carbon steering wheel in there too. Ooh, okay, I see you. Then we come over here to this STI in white with the silver RPF1s. Look at the Subaru center cap. I like that. It's a nice little touch. Got the carbon gurney flap onto the wing. I like it. I like it a lot. Nardo gray, whatever Chevy calls their Nardo gray C8 Corvette. But dude, the valve color, that cherry red right there, boy, with a little sparkle in there. I like that. I'm telling you, all the muscle people, they be doing that. Since you ain't got a hood with the engine in it no more, they found a new place to put their car show signage. Lexus though, okay. I bet this is a fun little car. Be a great daily for sure. Clean wheels. I like the purple calipers too. Change them wheels from black to like, you know, some silver. I ain't gonna be 100. EDI Jetta, setting on BBS's. Okay, get a better look right here. Let's see, BBS. Big money spent. Big baller spending money. Okay, audio trunk set up. Massive ass thing. Gonna rattle this Volkswagen apart. You got most of the Mustangs corralled back here in the corner. This Infiniti has all the carbon hood, carbon fenders, ESR wheels, float formed of course, red gut, carbon trunk. Okay, the little Genesis with the carbon trunk and Novia wheels, carbon hood, little Mishimoto intercooler coming around right now. Hell yeah. I've been saying hell yeah a lot today because it's hot as hell. Got some little VIP cars. Got the right-hand drive Uber on the rotiforms. Like I said, the right-hand drive. Shit's sick. I like this interior here, the houndstooth. The houndstooth goes hard. A little Lexus LS400. The VIP setup. You know, sit in there and pour you a drink. Oh, okay. And it's damn manual. Let's go. Okay, the old school Dodge Charger, boy. This blue is beautiful. This thing is super clean. You got the blue interior too. Cream inserts on the. Okay, got the pistol grip shifter. That's sick. Yeah, old school right here. This little K-truck got the baby TEs in bronze. And he bought the damn raised lug nuts too, and center caps. Big baller. I wonder if they give you a discount though, if it's, you know, if it's only buying 16 versus 20. I wonder if you get a discount. I don't know. They're probably selling by 4, so they can get you anyway. The BB WRX with the STI wing and Avid 1 TEs. I do like the livery though. ETS top mount, intake. Okay, it's got some little goodies done to it. Aero flow front wing and side skirts. Okay, I give it to you. Spreading the love around. Oh, these seat covers are crazy. The Sonic shift boot though, that's pretty cool. Same bro, same. I know it's hot. Damn, everybody rolling out early. Woo! Tell me you loaded without telling me you loaded. Yeah, just parked my Audi in front of my personal plane. Golly! Just paint match too. Got the red and white on the plane to go with the red Audi R8. Shit. The V10 thing is gorgeous. Big ass massive wing. I fuck with it there. I don't think I've ever seen an Audi with the carbon wing like that. Damn. Legit mounted in there too. Pow! Shots fired. It's 900 degrees, you know, about hot as fucking Satan's scrotum out here, so we're about to hit the road. Go find something cold to drink. Yeah, plane taking off as we leave, hell yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna do it for us in today's video. I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please smash that thumbs up button. Consider subscribing to the channel, and until next time, peace.